In the sizzling world of backyard barbecues, two names consistently rise above the smoky haze: Weber and Traeger. This is more than just a competition between two brands. It's a clash of grilling philosophies, a battle between the primal char of the open flame and the sophisticated art of low and slow smoking. So, if you're standing at the crossroads of your next great outdoor cooking adventure, fork in one hand, tongs in the other, wondering which path to take, you've come to the right place. Today, I am stoking the fires and clearing the smoke to definitively answer the question: Weber versus Traeger, which grill is truly better? Cooking performance. This is the central battleground. A Weber gas grill can easily reach temperatures of 600 degrees F or higher, creating the perfect environment for a deep, crusty sear. Traeger, while improving, still tops out at around 500 degrees on its high-end models. For pure, unadulterated searing power, Weber holds the crown. However, when it comes to low and slow smoking, the tables are turned. Traeger's precise temperature control and convection-style cooking creates an ideal environment for tenderizing tough cuts of meat over long periods. While you can smoke on a Weber, it requires more hands-on effort and skill to maintain a consistent temperature. For set-it-and-forget-it smoking and that signature wood-fired flavor, Traeger is in a league of its own. Temperature control and range. Weber's gas grills offer instant, on-demand heat with precise control knobs. Their charcoal grills, while more manual, can be mastered to hold a steady temperature. Traeger's digital controllers are a game changer for smoking, holding a set temperature with remarkable accuracy, often within 5 degrees. This level of precision is what makes them so reliable for long cooks. Build quality and materials. Both brands are known for their quality construction, but they have different philosophies. Weber is all about heavy-duty, no-nonsense durability. Their grills are built to last a lifetime. Traeger also uses high-quality materials, but with a greater emphasis on features and technology. While their high-end models are exceptionally well-built, some of their entry-level grills have faced criticism for using thinner-gauge metal. Ease of use and cleanup. For sheer convenience, a Weber bass grill is hard to beat. It's quick to heat up, easy to control, and relatively simple to clean. Traeger's pellet system is also incredibly user-friendly, especially for beginners. The set-it-and-forget-it nature of pellet cooking takes a lot of the guesswork out of smoking. Cleanup on both can be a chore, but both brands offer features like grease management systems to make the process easier. Smart technology and connectivity. This is an area where Traeger has a clear edge. Their Wi-Fi-enabled grills and feature-rich app have set the standard for smart grilling. The ability to control and monitor your grill from anywhere is a game changer, and the extensive recipe library is a fantastic resource for cooks of all skill levels. Weber's Connect app is a solid offering, but it's not as polished or as integrated as Traeger's. Why Weber might be your perfect match. Weber's strength lies in its mastery of multiple grilling disciplines. Whether you're a charcoal purist who revels in the hands-on ritual of managing hot coals, a gas grill enthusiast who craves the convenience of instant, controllable heat, or an urban dweller seeking the simplicity of an electric model, Weber has a meticulously engineered solution. This brand is the jack of all trades of the grilling world, and, arguably, the master of many. In recent years, Weber has even stepped into Traeger's territory with its own line of pellet grills, the Smokefire, and the newer Searwood series. These models are a clear statement of intent, combining Weber's legendary build quality with the convenience of pellet cooking, while also aiming to address a common complaint with many pellet grills, a lack of searing power. The Searwood, in particular, has been praised for its ability to reach higher temperatures, offering a more versatile cooking experience than many of its pellet-only competitors. The allure of the Traeger wood-fired taste. A Traeger grill operates on a simple yet ingenious principle. An auger feeds hardwood pellets from a hopper into a fire pot, where they are ignited by a hot rod. A fan then circulates heat and smoke throughout the cooking chamber, creating a convection-like cooking environment. This system allows for incredibly precise temperature control, making it ideal for the low and slow cooking methods that are essential for tender, juicy brisket, fall-off-the-bone ribs, and perfectly smoked salmon. But it's the flavor that truly sets Traeger apart. By using different varieties of wood pellets, from hickory and mesquite to apple and cherry, you can customize the flavor profile of your food in a way that's simply not possible with gas or charcoal. This isn't just a generic smoke flavor. It's a nuanced, aromatic infusion that penetrates deep into the meat, creating a depth of flavor that is both subtle and profound. So, which grill reigns supreme in your backyard? So, after all the smoke has cleared, which grill is better? The truth is, there's no single right answer. The better grill is the one that best aligns with your cooking style, your budget, and your flavor preferences. If you're a grilling traditionalist who values versatility, high heat searing, and long-term durability, a Weber is an excellent choice. It's a reliable, do-it-all workhorse that will never let you down. If you're a flavor connoisseur who dreams of perfect smoky brisket and fall-off-the-bone ribs, and you're willing to invest in a grill that makes wood-fired cooking both easy and delicious, then a Traeger is the clear winner. Ultimately, the choice between Weber and Traeger is a choice between two different but equally valid approaches to backyard cooking. One is a timeless classic, the other is a modern innovator. The good news is, no matter which one you choose, you're going to be eating very, very well.